So let me show you how to turn battery saver on or off on your Pixel 10. Now you can go to settings, and on the main settings page, go to battery, tap on that, and then you should see battery saver, tap on that, and then this is where you can enable battery saver and disable it from here. Now, of course, also you can set automatic battery saver so that it automatically turns on when the battery reaches a certain percentage. And then also you can choose between the standard battery saver or the extreme battery saver. Okay, so this is where you choose when the battery saver turns on. So you can set it at maybe 30%. All right. Now, an even easier way of doing this is to add that option to the quick settings tiles. So if it's not there, then you can just tap on the pen icon, find it in the extras. Here it is. Tap on it, and once it's added, now you can turn battery saver on or off straight from the quick settings panel without going all the way. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.